Hi, I'm Jenna Giarusso, and I was one of the instructors in the basic and the advanced ABC training courses. Being a trainer for 9 years, I've had a lot of different experiences, but this has definitely been one of the most rewarding experiences. Being able to teach students via hands-on experience with a variety of species was amazing.
ABC gave me the opportunity to get a good amount of hands-on experience training with animals and using operant conditioning and positive reinforcement.
I've never gotten to work with birds or seals, so I thought it was really cool that we kind of got exposure to more than just dolphins and sea lions.
With the advanced class, we get a little bit more refined and defined as far as the operant conditioning techniques that we talk about. Go a lot into differential reinforcements, LRS, those kind of things. You get to work with 2 dolphins. In addition to getting to learn to work with 2 dolphins, you also have team projects here at Gulf World by Dolphin Discovery. What we do is this time we were able to train penguins, we were able to train Russell the crow, we were able to train Archie the dog, and we were able to train Gracie the macaw. We're really thankful to Gulf World by Dolphin Discovery for providing this unique opportunity.